The uMake Playground is uMake's content library, which is full of pre-made models to help you get started or to help speed up your creative process. To access the uMake Playground, open up the side panel and then tap on the first option. Once open, you will see different categories for the included content. Tapping on a category will open up another panel with subcategories. Tapping on one of these subcategories will show the included content. Once you find a model you would like to use in your project, tap on the thumbnail to download the model. Then, either tap on the model to import it directly into your project, or tap and drag to place the model in your project yourself. If you have projects that you have created and want to import into a project you are working on, tap on the My Files category. Any recently opened models will appear. Tapping on them will import another one of your projects into your current scene. Spend time with the uMake Playground to explore nearly 200 free models that you can use in your projects.